Transportation's ever-evolving landscape continues to push its limits, transforming the once-imagined boundaries of land and sea into a path that takes flight into the skies. The concept of flying cars, no longer a distant sci-fi pipe dream, is gradually being realized in the realm of possibility. From Blade Runner, The Fifth Element, to Back to the Future, futuristic movies have always teased us with visions of cars that break free from the confines of terrestrial traffic, soaring high above cityscapes. Imagine the sensation of the wind caressing your face as you glide effortlessly over gridlocked streets, unencumbered by rush hour. Picture the thrill of a driving experience that transcends the monotonous ground-level commute to an exciting aerial journey. The automobile industry titan, Toyota, is on the cusp of making these sci-fi dreams a reality. Toyota has been laboring behind the scenes, engineering a groundbreaking concept that could potentially redefine the automobile industry and leave its competitors in the dust. The Japanese automobile behemoth has embraced a daring vision of the future to invest heavily in the burgeoning field of urban air mobility, UAM. According to investment banking giant Morgan Stanley, the UAM sector has the potential to mushroom into a staggering $1.5 trillion industry in the next 2 decades. It's an ambitious projection that is now being ardently pursued by Toyota. Collaborating with 2 multi-million-dollar startups and pouring over $300 million into this innovative venture, Toyota is determined to reshape the future of the automobile industry. In this video, we'll delve into the intricate details of Toyota's revolutionary flying car project and what it signifies for the automobile industry's future. Joby Aviation, a trailblazing Californian company working diligently on the concept of an air taxi shuttle, first caught Toyota's eye in 2020. Since then, the two corporations have worked hand in hand to bring this vision to fruition. Following several years of collaboration and diligent work, they are on the cusp of mass-producing passenger electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles, eVTOLs. Joby Aviation's groundbreaking initiative didn't go unnoticed. In 2018, it announced a whopping $100 million funding round, bolstered by the backing of tech giant Intel, airway major JetBlue, and, of course, Toyota. The following year, Toyota channeled an additional $394 million into Joby Aviation, thus accelerating the pace of production. This investment also enabled Toyota to secure a minority stake in Joby Aviation, and the two companies have since forged a long-term agreement. Under this strategic agreement, Toyota will supply Joby with crucial powertrain and actuation components, instrumental in producing its eVTOLs. The primary components will be designed by Joby and manufactured by Toyota, ensuring seamless collaboration between the two corporations. These components will be shipped to Joby's powertrain and electronics facility in San Carlos, California for the final assembly stage. From there, they'll be dispatched to Joby's pilot production line in Marina, paving the way for the eventual integration of eVTOLs. While this futuristic venture's progress is indeed remarkable, it's crucial to understand that the journey towards actualizing flying cars commenced decades ago. Several prototypes and flying car initiatives have been attempted over the years. Yet, these initiatives were mostly constrained by the limited technology of the era, causing the concept of flying cars to remain an unfulfilled dream. Early attempts to conquer the skies with automobiles date back to the early 20th century, with the Curtiss Autoplane in 1917, the Convair car in 1947, the Taylor Aerocar in 1956, and the Sky Commuter in 1989. However, despite the considerable hype, these innovative initiatives couldn't overcome numerous obstacles. High production costs, limited market interest, formidable regulatory restrictions, technical challenges, and the requirement for specialized skills to operate these vehicles led to their eventual demise. However, this has dramatically changed in the 21st century. Major corporations like Boeing, Airbus, Uber, and Toyota are investing significant capital into flying car development. With the emergence of startups like Joby Aviation and SkyDrive, bolstered by Toyota's financial backing, the dream of flying cars is on the verge of becoming a tangible reality. Joby Aviation, with its impressive record of conducting over 1,000 test flights, is developing an electric air taxi capable of accommodating 4 passengers and a pilot. The aircraft can travel up to 150 miles on a single charge and boasts a top speed of 200 miles per hour. Moreover, the vehicle's unique tilt-rotor design facilitates vertical takeoff and landing, making it suitable for dense urban settings. Meanwhile, Toyota's investment in SkyDrive is making waves in the industry. This Japanese startup has developed the compact single-seat eVTOL vehicle, the SD-03, capable of reaching a top speed of 62 miles per hour. With a design emphasizing stability and control, the ST-03 is primarily intended for short-distance urban transportation. The intriguing prospect of flying cars does not come without its share of significant challenges. Regulatory frameworks, infrastructure development, and public acceptance are substantial hurdles that must be tackled before these vehicles can become a common sight in our skies. The task of obtaining a pilot's license or the potential danger of air traffic accidents are formidable obstacles that cannot be ignored. Nevertheless, the future of flying cars is an exhilarating concept that has the potential to revolutionize our transportation landscape. Yet, it's crucial for Toyota and other manufacturers to tread carefully. As they work to address practical considerations, safety issues, and infrastructural needs, we must remember that the road to this futuristic reality may not be smooth, but the potential rewards could make it worth the journey. With time, we'll witness whether the daydream of zipping around in flying cars evolves into an everyday reality or remains a fascinating figment of our imagination. One thing is for sure. Toyota's determination and commitment to pioneering this field of transportation signify that the future of travel is on the horizon, and it's looking up.